Items in JSON object are out of order using Json.Dumps. I'm using Json.Dumps to convert into JSON-like. The result I have is I want to have the keys in the following order: ID, name, time zone, but instead I have time zone, ID, name. How should I fix this?
Both Python dict, before Python 3.7, and JSON object are unordered collections. You could pass sort_keys parameter to sort the keys. If you need a particular order, you could use collections.orderEdict. Since Python 3.6, the keyword argument order is preserved, and the above can be rewritten using a nicer syntax. See PEP 468, Preserving Keyword Argument Order. If your input is given as JSON, then to preserve the order, to get orderEdict, you could pass object_hook, as suggested by Fred Yankowski.
As others have mentioned, the underlying dict is unordered. However, there are orderEdict objects in Python. They are built in recent Pythons, or you can use this URL. I believe that newer Python's JSON implementations correctly handle the built-in orderEdicts, but I'm not sure, and I don't have easy access to test. Old Python's simple-send implementations don't handle the orderEdict objects nicely, and convert them to regular dicts before outputting them. But you can overcome this by doing the following. Now using this we get which is pretty much as desired. Another alternative would be to specialize the encoder to directly use your row class, and then you'd not need any intermediate dict or unorderEdict.
Hey, I know it is so late for this answer, but add sort_keys and assign false to it as follows. This worked for me.
The order of a dictionary doesn't have any relationship to the order it was defined in. This is true of all dictionaries, not just those turned into JSON. Indeed, the dictionary was turned upside down before it even reached Json.Dumps.
Json.Dump will preserve the order of your dictionary. Open the file in a text editor and you will see. It will preserve the order regardless of whether you send it in orderEdict. But Json.Load will lose the order of the saved object unless you tell it to load into an orderEdict, which is done with the object_pairs_hook parameter as j.f.sebastian instructed above. It would otherwise lose the order because under usual operation, it loads the saved dictionary object into a regular dict, and a regular dict does not preserve the order of the items it is given.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.